guys, welcome back. So today we are working on the X5's very foggy and yellow headlights. So we are using the turtle wax product to try and clear these headlights up. Saw some pretty good reviews on these, so fingers crossed these come back to life because they look ridiculous right now and this car is way too clean to have such ugly headlights. So let's get started. So now that the headlights are washed and taped up, we're going to pull everything out that came with the kit and get ready to start restoring the X5's headlights. So per the box's instructions, we used a cotton cloth to rub the headlight with the clarifying compound. Now that we've wrapped that up, we are using the spray lubricant to sand the headlights with the number 1 and number 2 pads. It says do this for 1 minute for each side of the pad. now we are going in with the pad number 3 and 4, sanding it for a minute on each side of the pad as well. Since after the sanding, the headlight was still a little hazy, we went ahead and went back with the clarifying compound and rubbed the headlight one more time. So now that we have finished compounding and sanding both headlights, we're going in with the lens base coat wipe and wiping both headlights down. It's important to do this after you have sanded and compounded both headlights. Lastly is the lens sealing wipe, which again, both headlights have to be done. You have to do that first base wipe. This is the last step, and it's important to do this as soon as you open the packaging for that wipe. So I wanted to show you guys how clear they are in the light of day now that it's finally sunny, and I just think they look really, really good, and I'm super happy with the results. Hopefully this was pretty clear for you guys. The box comes with pretty good instructions already, and we're super impressed with this product, and I can't wait to use it on another car as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.